Welcome back. As we saw, the SBI Cards IPO listing is at a slight discount. The stock is at a slight discount, 7%. Started off at an 8-9% discount and now at a 6 to 7% discount. Unfortunate day of listing, otherwise welcomed as a marquee stock. Kajal Gandhi of ICICIdirect joins us on the phone line to give us a view. Kajal, a bit of a disappointment. What's your take on the stock at 683?
Hi, good morning. So frankly, this is one of the bad listings for the company. But if you look at this valuation, the company was very high on the trading buy. So from that perspective, it is giving a good entry point for someone who was looking to buy, and the euphoric situation of the IPO is out. But gradually we think at this current juncture, there are risks of personal loans or retail defaults, and which may have an impact in the near term on these kind of loans. And that is why in the short term we may see pressure continuing on this.
Okay. Kajal, hi, good morning. But over the next, say, 1 year or so, what's your view on the stock and what's your rating and price target?
No, so we don't have the coverage yet. It's on the IPO side, but we think over the long term the business potential for credit card segment is quite high, and so one can look at entering at the correction in these stocks. But in the current environment, we may get these even lower if the markets were to be bad in terms of both short-term loans or small-ticket loans, where this segment operates in unsecured category. And NPAs, if we have seen in 2008 and 2009 kind of scenario, had shot up in these segments. The company had reported even a loss at one point in time because of credit cards. So we don't expect that runaway rally at this price also to happen in this stock.
Okay, so what would you call a corrected price?
So possibly this below 600 maybe, but then this is just a small interpretation that we are doing from the current environment, because we don't have the numbers yet on how bad this situation can be.
Okay. No, I take your point on that. The company has been showing an excellent CAGR of what I think its last growth was 23% CAGR over the last 3 or 4 years. That may for the current quarter be under threat, and hence perhaps this reaction. Well, Kajal Gandhi, thank you very much for joining us with your quick take on SBI Cards itself. So maybe under 600 is a price to reach, but I mean, this is not their considered view. We will have to wait and see at what point it settles down and what is ICICIdirect's confirmed entry point. At the moment, the stock is actually seeing a lot of recovery. Look at the recovery.
Yeah, there is. But you know what, there would